Everybody can see the problem. The question is whether or not this new bill to be announced tomorrow will go any further than what Priti Patel had already tried to put in place and whether it will make any difference.
Well, there's clear changes in what is being proposed, and we must stress the text of the bill has not been announced. We're expecting that tomorrow. But from what we've been able to gather, this is increasing the ban that currently sits on those who claim illegally asylum and are rejected from a couple of years to a lifetime ban, not being able to ever return to the country, visit, get citizenship. That is a really strong deterrent in the eyes of the government. But also it's about more swiftly dealing with these cases. We know that 45,000 people came to the country illegally last year, but the asylum backlog now stands at 166,000 cases. These are people waiting years to be assessed. So the two parts of this big push for the government is to get these cases heard swiftly, and for those who are rejected, to get them out of the country much, much faster to Rwanda or other safe third countries.
I suppose politically this is a winner for the government because they are being seen to tackle what is on doorsteps, a really big issue. The question is whether or not legally they will be able to affect those changes, because not least a human rights break, I mean, instantly sounds spurious, does it not? You can't switch human rights on and off, can you? And
we know that with regard to what the government has tried to do previously with the Rwanda scheme, not a single flight has left for Rwanda yet. There's been many, many legal challenges, and despite the UK government winning their latest legal battle over the Rwanda scheme, there's still a long, long road to go. And we know that there are many different layers of law, not just domestic, but international law as well, that complicate all of this. The UK government has been clear in its communications over the last few months that in the preparing of this bill, they think they are within international law. But clearly there will be disagreements. And the criticism from the Labour Party this morning is this sounds a lot like what the government has been trying to do before that clearly hasn't worked, as we've seen the numbers grow and grow.